Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix League of Legends not opening or its client not opening. And this tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first things first, you want to go ahead and try is to close Riot Client. Just close the window and also go to your task manager. Simply here, and you want to end all of the tasks which are related to League of Legends, so that would be Riot Client and the task, and if there's any League of Legends here, you want to end the task too. Also Vanguard should also be closed. Now once you're done with that, you want to find your League of Legends and you want to open it up. If that didn't fix the problem, you want to right click on your icon here, go to properties. Now this window will pop up. You want to choose compatibility, and on compatibility you want to disable full screen optimization. You want to check mark, run this program as admin, and change hide DPI settings, override it, and click OK, and then apply and OK. After that you want to go ahead and click on League of Legends here, and if it will open up, then the problem is fixed. Now the last thing you can try to do is go ahead, click on League of Legends and open file location. You will be redirected to this page. You want to go back one folder, so to Riot Games, go to League of Legends, and then you will see two files, logs and config. So you want to go ahead and delete both of them. Both of these, delete them, empty your recycle bin, and then try to open up your League of Legends. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.